Hi folks, and welcome to a short video clip preparing you to tackle homework 3D on multiplying out brackets, which you'll find on page 6. There are 3 questions and I'll work through some similar questions that I've made up myself. Question 1. Expand and collect like terms. Right, so we're going to multiply 3 by the bracket. 3 times p is 3p. 3 times plus 4 is plus 12, and then we've still got this plus 7, and that means I can collect those last 2 terms together. I can collect p's with p's, I can collect ordinary numbers with other ordinary numbers. So that's 3p plus 12 plus 7 is plus 19. Part B. 2 times 3h is 6h. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, and then we've still got this plus 2h. So this time it's h's I can collect together. 6h plus 2h. Remember, it's the sign immediately before something that tells you what to do. Don't think that's 6h minus, so we've got to take some h's off. The minus goes with the 8. So it's 6h plus 2h is 8h, and we've still got the minus 8. 3x times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6, x times x is x squared, so that first term becomes 6x squared. 3x times minus 1 is minus 3x, and then I've got plus 4x on the end. So this time I can collect the x's together. The x squareds just have to stay as they are. Minus 3x plus 4x is plus 1x, but we just write plus x. Second question again is about expanding and collecting like terms. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times plus 3 is plus 12. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 3 times minus 5, a negative times a negative, gives you a positive. 3 5s are 15. Collect together the x's. 8x minus 3x is 5x. Collect together the numbers. Plus 12 plus 15 is plus 27. And the second one. P times p is p squared. P times plus 4 is plus 4p. Plus 2p times 2p. 2 times 2 is 4. P times p is p squared, so that gives me 4p squared. 2p times minus 3 is minus 6p. Let's collect together the p squareds. P squared plus 4p squared is 5p squared. Collect together the p's. Plus 4p minus 6p is minus 2p. Moving on to the final question. These are quite common designs in GCSE. Each brick is the sum of the 2 below it. Now this is an algebra exercise, but I'm going to do one with just numbers first to make sure we can see what's going on. So if the number I need to put in here added to the 4 has to give me 10. So that leads to a subtraction. If that number plus 4 is 10, then that number is 10 take away 4. So 10 take away 4 would be 6. This number here added to the 10 will give me 7. So this number will be 7 take away the 10. So this number will be minus 3. 7 take away 10. And now this number here I'm looking for added to 4 will give minus 3. So the number I'm looking for is minus 3 take away 4. And minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So now let's look to do that with an algebraic expression wall. Sometimes we have to add, sometimes we have to subtract. What can I do at the moment? Well, I can't do anything using the top line, but if I add these 2 in the bottom right hand corner, it will give me the one where I've put the pink dash. So let's go for that one. Add together these 2. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and plus 4 add minus 3 is plus 4 take away 3, which is plus 1. And now, rather like the one above, if I'm looking for what goes in here, this plus 7x plus 1 has to give me the top line, so the one I'm looking for is the top line, take away the 7x plus 1. So a term at a time, 10x take away 7x is 3x, minus 6 take away plus 1, which is minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. And same again for the bottom left corner, 3x minus 7 take away the 2x plus 4. 3x take away 2x is x, minus 7 take away 4 is minus 11. And now I'm ready to hand exercise 3D over to you.